Now the next step is associating this image style with the image field that we've added to our guide content type. And we do this through the same interface that we use to hide the label, the display settings for the content type. So let's go ahead and go to Structure in the admin toolbar, click on Content Types, and then next to Guide here, we're going to click on Manage Display. And under this image field here, you see that we have a couple of new pieces of data. It says Original Image, and then it has this cogwheel which you can click on. Let's go ahead and click the cogwheel. Alright, so this gives us some additional options for this field. We have Format Settings, Image, Image Style, None. It says it's the original image. Let's go ahead and click this and see what our options are. We have Thumbnail, Medium, Large, and then Guide Image. Okay, so this is our new image style. Let's go ahead and select it. And then we have the option to link the image to something, and we can choose Nothing, Content, or File. We'll go ahead and leave this empty for now. And let's click Update. So even though we've made our change and clicked the Update button, we still need to click Save at the bottom of the page in order to save our changes to the field. So I'm going to do that. And now let's go back to our guide page. I'm just going to click the X in the upper right-hand corner of the overlay. All right, so now our image is being resized. It's now black and white. And the only thing we have left to do is to position it correctly.